Welcome to this web tutorial. This contribution is part of result number 3 of the Erasmus Plus Clique project, and it's about Rebus, renovation of public buildings and urban spaces. What is Rebus about? It is a simulation game to understand the city based on a participatory approach that involves several players who, through the game mode, learn and interact with each other in order to define transformation scenarios for the city and for the neighborhood. A city is made of several and different physical, spatial, social components, and also rules and actors that coexist together. Through the simulation game, we can get to know the different needs, the different points of view of citizens with an interactive and playful relationship. In particular, Rebus deals with the planning and the design of urban areas for the improvement of the comfort of public spaces and for the mitigation of the heat island effect. Who participates and how? The Rebus players in the Erasmus Plus Clique version are students of technical and social disciplines, freelancers like architects, engineers, urban planners, doctors, representatives of public administrations dealing with urban planning and public works, administrators, citizens, and representatives of the business world. All these figures working on interdisciplinary skills will have to integrate their own skills in the search for design solutions capable of affecting the quality of public spaces. How do you play the Rebus game? The players will be divided into 3 teams of competitors who will compete, according to a false announcement, for a competition aimed at the transformation of a neighborhood. On the basis of this notice, each one of the 3 teams must define a general strategy of the neighborhood and propose interventions and actions for squares, streets, paths, buildings, public spaces in general, rethinking the use of greenery, the presence of water, the materials for soils, urban mobility. The organization of the participants is based on a minimum of 10 players, coordinated by a facilitator, 5 students, 3 citizens, 1 public administration technician, 1 administrator. The groups must also be supported by some external technicians, 1 agronomist, 1 doctor, 1 landscape architect, 1 expert in environmental sciences. The organization of the activities is based on a workshop. The players will be invited by the facilitator to act in the group according to their skills, discussing and thinking about concrete proposals to regenerate the area that's under study. Gender and age equivalence must be guaranteed within the group. The first phase is the construction of urban regeneration strategy with the project objectives, a list of adaptation actions and priorities. This activity is also based on the comparisons of the results from the 4.4 Place Standard Tool activity and the identification of the risk and adaptation measures expected by activity 4.5. Then, the construction of the adaptation project concept, the localization of adaptation proposals, artificial solutions or natural-based solutions, as expected by activity 4.5b. The third phase is the construction of project proposals in the sample areas by each team, and after that, the exhibition of the project proposals. And the last phase is the awarding of the winning strategy with establishment of an external jury. The evaluation of the urban regeneration proposal is entrusted to professionals who express in various ways the interdisciplinary aspects that the game seeks to test and to evaluate. Urban planners, agronomists, landscape designers, expert in urban drainage systems, or expert in participatory processes, representatives of public administrations. The jury determines which one is the winning project. The materials and the tools for the Rebus simulation game will be case study materials, territorial framework maps, aerial photos, description of the area with its problems, urban planning sheets that include the municipal planning provisions, the fake call that will indicate the principle to be pursued, environmental sustainability, urban quality, microclimatic comfort, accessibility. The results of the survey place standards with a climate lens, list of risks and adaptation actions based on the results of Tool 4.4a and 4.4b, drawing material to elaborate the proposals, pens, papers, and computers.